Well, heavy rain, high winds, rain, high winds. It's been like this all day. It's Tuesday and it's cold. Anyway, that caught me off guard. It's absolutely freezing today. The wind's blowing like that, it's cold. Anyway, came down to the pond again today. Got rain last night, oily streaks on the pond. Did a scrape with the fish, found nothing on them. Checked the skimmer, found nothing on them. Found 3 fish lying in the corner of the pond. No effort to move. So I bit the bullet and decided to treat the pond today. I don't like treating the pond other than with salt. But I've decided today to put a combination of medication in the pond to see how that works. People say formalin and malachite green. I don't like formalin. I've never ever liked formalin. I don't think it's that effective. You see the water's gone a lovely green, so you know it's got malachite in. So then, what did I use? Oh, well, that's interesting. After double checking that there was nothing on the fish and nothing in the water, yet there was still fish in there which was showing signs of sickness, and the fact that I've lost 7 fish and some little fish over the past couple of weeks, I decided it was time to try a combination of formaldehyde and malachite green. Now it's most important that if you use this combination that you put the malachite green into a bucket first before the formaldehyde and stir it completely. Formaldehyde is great because it will take the mucus off the fish and will allow the ingredients in both of them to go right through onto the fish's skin and gills. Therefore, anything on the fish will be killed. The downside is formaldehyde is very strong, so you have to be spot on with your doses. Now, some people use a 25% less malachite green when they're mixing it with formaldehyde. Myself, I just keep them at the same dose. But I do a 25% water change the day after. And I keep the air pumps on full throughout the treatment. I turn off my water pumps and the filters for 4 hours when I first put the treatment in, so that's not flowing through the system, it's staying in the pond. Then I will turn them on again and let it flow through the system. Of course, if you have anything in like wool or anything like that in your filters, you need to take that out. And I'm hoping that this might solve the problem. I could have used formalin, but I don't like formalin. I don't think it's very active. I don't think it works that well. And there's also one that I used to like, and I still like really, is Parakill. But Parakill is very difficult to get these days, I believe, because it's so strong. And you can make other things with it, I was told. So I don't know what that is. So I used the formaldehyde and the malachite green together in the pond and we will see over the next 2 or 3 days how things go. Right, okay, if you want to, and I hope you do, please subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye.